Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the features of the height-adjustable rolling TV stand, perfect for TVs ranging from 37 This to 86 stand is designed with and the US supporting up market to in mind, 110 pounds. offering 5 adjustable height settings from 33.9 to 47.2 inches, allowing you to customize your viewing experience for ultimate comfort. Crafted with a heavy-duty metal base, it promises stability and durability, while its smooth and silent hidden wheels make moving it a breeze without disturbing the piece. You'll love the flexible TV angle adjustment, with tilt options from -5 degrees to +10 degrees and a 0 to 90 degrees rotating screen, ensuring you find the perfect viewing angle every time. It boasts powerful storage and cable management features, including an adjustable bracket, built-in cable management system, and a pegboard to keep your entertainment area organized and clutter-free. Whether you're moving it from room to room or adjusting its position, this stand is designed for convenience and ease of use. Experience the perfect blend of functionality and style with this versatile TV stand, making it an essential addition to any home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.